Hello, and we are back in Unit 5 Shape and Space. In this tutorial we will be talking about a new idea, which is the enlargement. We will go through an example to get to know more about the enlargement. So, to start off, the question says, draw an enlargement with scale factor 3 of the shape shown. So it's basically a really simple process. You just have to draw the same figure but 3 times bigger. So let's go ahead and count the first side. The first side has 5 steps. So after enlarging it, 5 times 3, which is 15. As for the second side, it has 3. So 3 times 3 is 9. Now 2 times 3 is 6. And for the final one, it is basically 1 down and 5 to the left. So multiply that by 3 in order to find this, or basically just connect the last two sides since they are already enlarged. And there you go, you have enlarged it as a scale of 3.